Have you ever felt motivated to change your mindset only to have that enthusiasm fade away as life gets in your way? Well, you're not alone. We've all been there. I've been there. However, many of us understand the power of positivity and the benefit it comes from rewiring your thoughts or your subconscious mind. However, knowing isn't enough. It requires action, action on your part. Action is what brings about transformation. Now, the challenge is staying consistent. It's easy to start strong. However, distractions, setbacks, stress, this all can derail even your best intentions. When this happens, suddenly negative thoughts creep into your mind and your progress grinds to a halt. Feels like it's just out of reach. So the question is, how do you break this cycle? The answer lies in taking small, consistent steps every day. You're probably thinking, as I thought when I first came across this thought, how do I do this? Well, it starts with intention. You begin by setting a clear intention for your mindset. Ask yourself, what kind of mindset do I want to cultivate? And how do I want to feel? Your answer will guide you in your actions. Now, the first step, at least for me, and I suggest you try this, is catch and replace negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are sinister. They creep into your mind slowly, and sometimes they just pop into your mind. However, when that happens, don't let it linger. Don't dwell on it. You want to stop it in its tracks. So when you have a negative thought, immediately replace it with 4 positive thoughts or affirmations. This small, powerful habit will help you to rewire your subconscious mind. And remember, your subconscious mind believes everything you tell it, good or bad. It doesn't make any judgments. However, by filling your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, you're going to rewire your thinking. You're going to remove the negative. And rewiring works. It's based on how you respond to those negative thoughts. Okay, next, consistency over perfection. Caution, don't aim for perfection. Progress is what matters. Even small actions done consistently build momentum. Don't be one of those individuals that lets your perfectionism hold you back from moving forward. I've spoken with numerous individuals that are just stopped in their tracks because of perfectionism. There's a thought, a statement that is better done than perfect, or at least it's something like that. Keep that in mind. Quite often when I'm dealing with perfectionism, that thought pops in my mind, Gary, better done is better than perfect. So I move forward. Next, visualization. Take 2 minutes each morning to visualize the positive outcomes for your day. Then at the end of the day, this is really critical. Pause and take 2 minutes to acknowledge your actions or projects you did well. This simple step will create lasting change. And don't dwell on what you could have done better. You can learn from what you could have done better. Don't dwell on it. Focus on the positive outcome. Focus on what you did well. And next, surround yourself with positive individuals, positive experiences. Choose, this is a choice, choose to spend your time with people who uplift you. Now, I know this is always possible. However, you can seek out positive content. It can be books, and it can be in communities, it can be organizations filled with positive individuals. I certainly get a lot of uplifting momentum when I surround myself with individuals that are positive. I suggest that you consider that. Now, next, also, don't just absorb positivity, spread it. A kind word or encouragement can create a ripple effect that benefits everyone. So look for opportunities to uplift other individuals, to congratulate them sincerely. And now celebrate every win. Every time you replace a negative thought, take a step forward. Celebrate it. Small victories reinforce your habit and keep you motivated. Now, positivity isn't about ignoring life's difficulties. No, it's about training your mind to focus on solutions and growth. By daily taking small, consistent actions, you experience a profound shift in your mindset, in how you think, how you approach problems. This will build confidence. By daily taking small, consistent actions, you'll experience a profound shift in your mindset, your confidence in your life. By daily taking small, consistent actions, you'll experience a profound shift in your mindset. You'll see your confidence grow and your life improve. And it all starts with you, with one step. What will your one step be?